me, but say hi.
You have to stop doing this. Then people come up. You're not understanding with the bride and groom. People are gonna want to talk to us and be around us, and I can't say hi to thousands of people. Your politeness is getting me fucked.
My wife. Wife.
Oh my god, I'm getting stressed.
We are going to try my bridal lehenga. Yeah, yeah. If we find the place, we will find it. That is
By the time we
it.
reach our lehenga, we'll be 5 sizes smaller.
Exactly. Wow.
About 5 years ago, I was scrolling on Instagram and I saw this red lehenga that I loved. This is 5 years ago. And I took a screenshot of the lehenga and I sent it to my best friend Ahad. And I was like, the day I get married, I'm getting married in this lehenga. The designer is Mukul Arora. Now, Mukul Arora at the time, now he's in Bombay, was only in Delhi. I was in Mehrauli in Delhi and we were driving on the highway and I randomly see Ijaz Couture, Mukul Arora store, and I was like, stop the car, stop the car, stop the car. I got off, I went in and I showed them that photo and I was like, y'all made this design 5 years ago, do y'all have it? And they're like, first of all, it's 7 o'clock, we're shutting the store. Second of all, this is like from ages ago. We don't make this stuff anymore. And I'm like, no, please. They go behind and they said in their warehouse or whatever, they had this one piece or whatever left, one piece left. And I was like, bring it. And they're like, we can't bring it. It's 7 p.m. The show's done. I was like, just show it to me. Let me see it in person. Just let me see it in person. I saw it in person and I was like, I will be wearing this for my wedding. I will be back tomorrow morning because I'm flying out to Bombay tomorrow. And the next morning, my mom and I rushed to the store. I tried on the lehenga. And Tanisha wasn't there. She had already left Delhi. So I video called her, which they don't allow, by the way. They don't even allow you to fucking video call. I video called Tanisha. For exactly 30 seconds, she saw the lehenga. She said, buy it. We placed our order in. Then I went to Pune for my Sangeet outfit. And again, that one was also fucking expensive. And I was like, I don't think I should buy it. And then I was like, I'll never wear it again. What's the point? And then I called Jitika, who told me, you wear it on my wedding day. It's fine.
Yeah.
Just buy it. It's so pretty. It's gorgeous. And obviously, like, my friend group knew exactly what I was trying on, what I was wearing. I booked both those lehengas. Cut to, we're about a month out from my wedding. I have placed these orders September 1st week. I'm supposed to have my first trial November 1st week. Purnia delayed it by like a week. So November 2nd week, I did my Purnia trial. Mukul Arora's Ijaz Couture gave me my Shadi ka lehenga on the 20th of December when I was getting married on the 3rd of January. After I called them for 3 weeks in a row every single day. My mom called them every single day. The Totalis team called them every single, Vaya called them every single day. Nishta, my stylist, called them every single day. I sent a group of people to their Delhi store to do a hartal. I didn't even do a deposit. I paid the whole amount. At the time of placing this order, they were extremely unprofessional, extremely disrespectful, were awful about everything. And then on the 20th of December, when I finally went to try my lehenga, my blouse was so small, like literally just a panel. My lehenga, it was tera, like it was going sideways. They actually tried to pretend like that wasn't the case and that was like the measurements are accurate. They were not accurate. It was horrible working with them. And by the way, I had already lied to them and told them I'm getting married on the 26th of December. So they have delivered my outfit on the 20th of December for me. My first trials happened on the 20th of December for a shadi that they think is on the 26th of December.
Ridiculous.
Finally, I was like, now what? Now what am I going to do? So I'm calling like tailors in Bombay to help me figure this out. I'm like, what am I going to do? I'm going to not have a wedding lehenga to get married in. And then they were like, oh, you want any alteration? It'll have to go back to our workshop in Delhi. I was like, do I look fucking insane? Am I going to send my outfit? Finally, you've given me this outfit. You want me to send it back to Delhi? And you want to do this all over again? Absolutely not. And then, God bless, only one woman, her name is Dolly, in the Bombay store, gave me her word that she would fly up and down. And I am not a yeller, okay? I never yell, even if I get like only at Praja and Ahad. But otherwise, like I have literally screamed in the store because I'm like, this is ridiculous. I am getting married on the 26th, 27th, and y'all have not delivered on anything. Now I paid like an arm and a leg for the fucking outfit. Finally on the 26th they delivered my outfit and it was all fine and good.
Come, look in the camera, look in the mirror.
These lehengas weigh 12 kgs,
Yeah.
15 kgs,
Our
and
can-cans were
they're
massive.
dancing in them.
Okay, I have to tell you this. My lehenga, and I will say I do regret this a little bit. My lehenga was too long and it was too heavy.
Yeah. It's looking damn nice.
That lehenga took it out of me. That lehenga truly gave me hell. My heels gave me hell. And I was already exhausted before I even entered the venue. But I was obviously high on, adrenaline.
Yeah.
Mustan sir, Ananya, Priyal, they all came to see my fitting and all of that, which was really fun.
Why are you not crying?
I'm wearing lenses, otherwise I actually would have. You're looking too pretty. Ananya, thoughts? I love it. I love it. Mom, thoughts?
Beautiful.
Mus, the thoughts?
I am mesmerized, speechless. It doesn't seem like it because I'm seeing a lot of words.
It's really beautiful.
Priyal,
Damn pretty.
thoughts?
I love it. Can I borrow it after?
There's one piece of advice I can give you. It's lie to designers and tell them you're getting married 3 weeks before you actually get married. Yeah, because they all suck.
First food test.
Let's see the people around.
Mastered, cheated, Anupar, honored, treasured. Mastered is actually Tanishad, Sanyard, Bad joke.
Tanisha calls Raja Ladshu. It sounds like a Dadi's name. I didn't know. Let's go. And give everyone. Don't try it already, guys. You can try it together. Sauce. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Go.
Nice. That loves it.
I like it. I love it. Bro, this is a 10. This is a 10. It's too good.
It's too much.
How you like it?
It's very good.
Cheers.
Sorry. It's a pizza appetizer.
I'd argue that this is better than the China garden.
Yeah, it's damn good.
Paneer we're changing.
Paneer was not it.
Well, this is really becoming everything I love. All the veg food I love.
So that's what it should be.
Truffle
Yeah.
edamame.
I have not eaten since I ate lunch at 1 o'clock.
I don't like it as much as other top.
Everything else, yeah.
The other truffle, that's like
So
It's okay.
piece I got is tasting a little hard.
yeah.
It's always nice to have more filling than less filling. Because people are very conjunced with filling sometimes. Okay, salad. Hey Praja, they have your favorite zucchini in it.
I love zucchini. Paneer, satay, cheese cigar, mushroom.
Shadi favorites are dosa counter, pasta counter. That's what everyone is going to. So that's something about I personally, if I was going to a wedding and if there was a dosa counter, that's the first line I'm standing in. We are getting Praja's ring made today.
Finally.
Are you excited?
Because I don't see no ring on this thing. Kamini, idhar But what I'm hearing is this.
What I'm hearing is everybody's constantly in a bad mood but me. Bad mood number 1, bad mood number 2.
I didn't get sleep. I just didn't get sleep.
They've never slept. I just slept last night.
Does it have to be exact fit? Does it have to be tight fit?
Little loose, yeah.
Little loose.
It's up to your comfort level. How it fits. You don't have any water retention problem. Like
Water retention problem.
I started getting it.
He's not Sindhi and diabetic like everybody else.
Wait, if you hold it up like that, it's not going to happen, no?
Gee.
You need to work out, man. Or eat something. 15.
So good, no?
Ultra good. There are very 23, 22.
You have water retention.
No, this is you look like a bacha heart. Ready?
Everyone doesn't have to be thugga like you.
I've got a few more names. You can bacha all of them when you meet them. All your dad's friends, where are they helping? Don't you want to dance, man?
You're dancing or
I
not?
heard you all can't decide what's wrong.
If they don't dance, I'll start dancing on them. Start make the crowd dance.
Yeah.
I'm not on that group.
He left the group chat. You know, Menda's
Over 2 years back,
sulky.
I left it.
He leaves group chats when he's upset.
No, Baba, not that's upset. They're irritating.
They're not dancing only.
And the ting starts at 12 in the night. Then I was.
Acha, you're also very asleep at 12 in the night.
I've seen it. I'm a new person now.
आप ऐसे बैठेंगे और जो दूल्हा दुल्हन है वो अपना आगे इधर नदी में बैठे।
I really wanted us to get married by the ocean. Mukesh Mills is, if you Google the most haunted venue in Bombay, the first thing that comes up is Mukesh Mills, which is scary but also very, very exciting. It caught on fire many years ago. Lots of people passed. It was a mill, a textile mill earlier, but then it became a studio for where shoots take place, which is perfect because like I work in film and it's like exciting and I love that kind of an aesthetic. Agni Patho shot there, Jumma Chumma Dede, the song was shot there, and most importantly, Om Shanti Om was shot there. Bits of it was shot there.
किस बात का प्लानिंग हो रहा है?
सानिया का आईफा.
अच्छा वो सब ठीक है बट सेम कपड़ा पहन के क्यों है?
Oh shit.
When we were first figuring out Mukesh Mills, I was not in the country. I was in New York and I was staying with Charlie at the time. And I went home and I told Charlie, look, they have found a venue and it's beautiful, but it's haunted. Charlie, being Charlie, was like, no, son, we can't do it. Like, you can't get married in a haunted venue.
Raja's been locked in. इसी झूमर के नीचे हमारी शादी होगी. And now I'm gonna set this place on fire. Are you ready, Raja?
This is the cargo pants, bro.
They think you're on set.
They think I'm a grip. Bro, one dude tried to give me a bag of sand too, fella.
आपने मेरे पति को बाहर ही छोड़ दिया. The things are not okay.
सारे come there that side. Raja, that side. He's on the other side.
Raja, hold my hand, na Charya.
जीत गए.
So I FaceTimed Tanisha and I went out to get coffee. I told her, should we do Mukesh Mills? And she was like, Sanya, don't be stupid. It is gorgeous. We're going to do Mukesh Mills. And I was like, okay, you know what? Forget it. And I walked and I stepped on a dead body of a sparrow.
You don't know one thing, I'll tell you. You don't know one thing, I'll tell you.
And I was like, wow, I am not getting married there. This is definitely haunted. And I was like, this is a bad omen or whatever. Then I came to Bombay and I saw the location and I was like, this is it. This is like my dream come true. We are in Bombay, which is our home. We are in South Bombay, which is our home. We are in a beautiful historic place with ruins around. It's gorgeous.
The
We're by the ocean and it has filmy connection. This is all. This is what we're gonna do. Yeah.
So I was actually okay with the location before I even saw it because the first thing my Gujarati brain went to is like Bhoot Bangla hai, so maybe we'll get a good price on it, right?
Yeah, we
but
did
that
not.
wasn't the
That's
case.
not the
that
case.
was
It
not
was
the
super
case.
expensive.
Raja is googling how to shadi. What is what to do after shadi?
You said 5. And that's what I said.
पहली शादी दूसरे वाले में सीख जाऊँ
बोलना भी मत है. I can't afford another shadi.
So the first wedding to have taken place in Mukesh Mills is ours. This is so funny. When my family walked in there and they spoke to the security there, they were like, okay, everyone says this place is haunted. Is it actually haunted? And they're like, no, it's all bullshit. It's not haunted. It's fine. And then my dad was like, okay, because we want to do my daughter's wedding here. And they were like, nahi. Shadi रात को नहीं मतलब ऐसे नहीं है कि भूत है पर जस्ट इन केस दे लाइक शादी मत करो संगीत कर लो नो प्रॉब्लम.
So it's gonna be in the back of all of our photos. And I'm kind of obsessed with it. It's very pretty. I'm saying we'll get boy tattoos. Yeah, boy tattoos. Why are you not excited by it?
No, you get where you want to get.
I didn't think so much.
I think you get on your left butt cheek. You should have one boy on your left butt cheek, no? For buoyancy.
I'm a superstitious person. I will believe anything you tell me. If someone tells me don't cut your nails in the night, I won't cut my nails in the night. Like I don't believe in fucking with what I don't know.
Right.
Yeah,
But all I'm
not
saying
at
is,
the cost. That's such a beautiful location. Sorry.
yeah.
The shot has to come.
Praja is an expert at giving no solutions and only scaring people with more problems. He's an expert. He always comes, he's like, oh, yeah, this is going to be 10 times worse than you. And I'm like, no.
But yeah, we loved the venue. I think it was very peaceful, and I think everyone had a good time. I don't think anyone had like a haunting experience during the wedding.
I
so.
hope not, at least. Yeah.
Raja, what is a kirtani?
I know. Why should I tell?
The mistakes in his proposal he has put on me, so he can get out of it perfectly.
Circle of flowers?